Hello, this is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Today's little video is I'm showing you outside sockets, otherwise known as weatherproof sockets, waterproof sockets. We tend to install the Master Seal range of sockets. I've been installing these myself for about 20 years. The sockets have a warranty of 20 years on them, and the internal electronics as well have got a 10-year life on them. They're basically an indoor socket inside a plastic box which has got a tight fastening lid on them. The lids are slightly deeper, so you can put various shapes and sizes of sockets on them. There's various ways of putting in sockets, ones which are back to back, so you've got a wall and a socket there. The cable goes through and you can have your outside socket there. And other times where the power source is further away, we can either chase a little bit around on the walls on the interior of the house and then take the feed out to the outside socket, or we can run the power cable out and then along the wall. Take a look at the video to give you some ideas. And we'll also show you some waterproof DIY sockets in a greenhouse, which we promptly removed and put some waterproof sockets in. Thank you for watching. Well, hopefully you found that little video helpful. If we can be of any more assistance to you, please don't hesitate to give us a ring or email us. Otherwise, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, down here I think it is, and you'll get regular updates of other products and services which we can carry out for you. Thank you ever so much.